everyone, this is Rashi and welcome back to the Reading Platter, and I'm very excited for today's video because I have brought another book haul. I don't have many books to haul, but I have a lot of stationery to haul. I went to the Daryaganj book market and I was hoping to buy books there, but when we reached there it was closed because of COVID-19 and lockdown. But we also got to know that it was supposed to open that day, but it didn't. And then the guard there told us that it will open on 4 o'clock, and we reached there at 10 o'clock. So it was very difficult to wait for the market to open and to go back and come back again, because it takes me like 45 minutes to 1 hour depending on the mode of transport and the traffic. So 1 hour, 2 hours of transit was very difficult, and so we went to another market that is a nice sadak that is near Chandni Chowk, and it is a very famous market. So we bought stationery from there. I don't have much of a stationery. I bought a box of pen from there, but I don't have it right now. I have kept it away in my almirah, and I just can't and I have used pens from those. So let's see what stationery I bought except for that. So I bought these 3 diaries. I got these for 35 rupees each, and these are lined, spiraled and different colored, and the pages are very fine. It was just for 35 rupees, and I bought these for my reading journal. I have my reading journal. I'm using this one, and these are of like same size, and yeah, this one is a little bit bigger than it, but it doesn't matter. So out of these, the blue one and the yellow one are mine, and the red one is for my brother. I did not took the red one because the recent one I'm using is also red color. So I bought these 2 for myself and this one for my brother. So let's see more stationery that I bought. So I bought these 10 spirals, and I'm really happy with it. It was for 40 rupees each, and it was at a wholesale price. It was very nice. It is spiraled ruled 200 pages notebook. I got it, and there were also 500 pages notebook, which was for only rupees 80. I know that was a great deal because I was getting more pages by only paying double of what I paid. But I do not like using like fat registers, because after some time you just start getting bored from its cover and just writing in the same thing. So I like to use small thin notebooks so that I can change it from time to time and I just don't get bored. I have 5 designs, 4 to 5 designs. The first one is this one. We have all of them. This is the second design. This is the only design in this one. So yeah, I will keep it separately because I don't want my brother to steal it. The next design is this one. It is also a very nice and fresh design, very soothing design. So love that. This is the 4th design, and it's very cute. I love this design, and I have like 2 colors in this one. Yeah, there are 4 kind of registers, 4 designs of registers, and yeah, love these things. So we bought these from Nice Sadak only. This is the only stationery we bought, and then we went back again to the market, to the Daryaganj market, Mahila Hart market. I have made a vlog for that. I will link it here, and also I bought a lot of books from there. We get a lot of cheap books, but there were some vendors that had their stalls out of the place where the Mahila Hart market is organized. So I bought some books from there. Also, we visited one shop that is very famous, but the books there I felt were a little costly. So I just bought this book from one shop, and it is Pretending to Dance by D.N. Chamberlain, and I just loved it. I believe it is a mystery thriller and there is a very big twist in the middle of the book, so bought it. Got it for rupees 40. It was for like 100 rupees per kg. It was like not priced per book but in weight, so it was 400 grams and I got it for rupees 40. Then we went to another shop, and from there was one board for Hindi books, 200 rupees per kg, and these were the 5 books I bought in 1 kg. These were for 200, all the 5 books, and I bought these for my mother. She loves reading Hindi literature, so I bought these. And also I want to get more involved in Hindi literature because the stories are short and interesting. I have always loved reading Hindi books, so yeah, I haven't talked about those books on my channel, but maybe I'll make separate reading vlog for these Hindi books and it will be really fun. So this is the first one, Chalo Gyan Ki Or by Gautam Chopra and Dr. Deepak Chopra. This, I don't know what this book is about. I just saw the name of the title and read something at the back, and I feel like my mother will love it, so I bought it because she's a big fan of reading, you know, Hindi literatures. She's got an app where she always read those literatures. And the next one is Wo Chali Gai by Vineet Bansal. This is a heartbreaking kind of story. And then we have Bhaskar Rao Ki Yadgar Kahaniyan. I believe these are short stories written by Bhaskar Rao, and was very satisfied with this book because all these books are for rupees 40. If you look at it, 200 rupees for 5 books, that makes 40 rupees per book, and it's okay. The next one is Keher by Surendra Mohan Pathak. I loved this cover a lot, so I bought it. I really don't know what the story is about. I just love the cover. The next thing is Adh Khila Phool by Nanak Singh, and I just read the title and thought my mother will love these kind of stories, so bought these 5 books for my mother. Her birthday is coming soon in 2 months, so this is a pre-birthday gift for her. So yeah. Then we went to the vendors that were outside the book market and I bought these 3 books. And this one is for my brother. That is A Brief History of Time by Stephen Hawking. He loves reading these kind of book. I don't know, he just wanted to buy it. We got it for rupees 50, which was a great deal. Then I bought 2 books. I did not have like second book in the Harry Potter series, and I have the abridged edition for the 3rd book in the Harry Potter series, so I bought Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. This is the 2nd book. I got it for rupees 50, so I will be reading it in physical form, and then I don't know if I'll unhaul it or not, I don't know. The next one is Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban, and this is also for rupees 50. You just need to, you know, bargain with these shopkeepers and they'll just give you the deals that you love. And there are some dealers that just don't, they just don't want, you know, when like customers who bargain. But if you're shopping, bargaining is a very common thing to do, and I cannot shop without bargaining, so I just don't step on those shops. So this was a small stationery and book haul, and I wanted to film the vlog for shopping, but did not, you know, I just did not have footage to vlog, because what will I vlog? The closed doors of market. So yeah, so these were the books and the stationery. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do give it a thumbs up, and we'll meet in the next one.